Hello everybody. My basic setup is still exactly the same. The amp meter is still drawing 0.009 amps, which is 9 milliamps. The difference being that I've added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 6 lamps on there now. Everything else is still exactly the same. The reading on the scope is basically the same. Take your time and follow each wire to see where it goes. That's the earth on this. This one, that one, the earths are not connected on. This one here is just an extra lead which I use to try and see what the earth does extra. Hopefully you can follow all the wires. Take your time, pause the video if you have to. Steal what you want to steal if you want to steal something. But you don't have to steal it. You just have to build it. Go out there, get some wire. Get a transistor or two. All of the details are in my videos. You don't really have to get such big capacitors as these. These are very big. Rated 400 volts, 3,300 microfarad. They are not supercapacitors. They come out of some radio hardware that I stripped a long time ago. Batteries you can use, I'm using two different ones. I use one lithium ion battery, 12 volt, or a lead acid battery. Battery at the moment is at 12.84. It's not fluctuating a lot. Amp meter is still reading 0.009 amps, which is 9 milliamps. I've said that before. And I'm running 6 lamps at the moment. It's actually getting boring now. I think I must do something else. Go on to other coils. So, I thank you for watching. Please push the like button if you can. Please subscribe if you can. Please send my videos to other people, share it with other people. Ask them to subscribe or to watch my videos. And I promise I will try not to make more boring videos. But I think this is quite exciting what's happening here. 6 lamps. And it's broad daylight outside, so I should do this at night so you can see how bright these lamps really are. Thank you for watching.